Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be replacing an iPhone 6 Plus, and today is Monday, August 5th. So it has a cracked screen, and then also I'm going to be replacing the battery. So I'm replacing the screen with the OEM grade screen and also the battery. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
I can hear the lost crying. I can hear the truth hiding. Yeah, the shadows are calling us out. I see the fear rising. Yeah, but my hope is burning. The shadows are calling us out. We are heroes in the darkest time.
And we are done. 16 minutes and 18 seconds for a OEM screen repair and a battery replacement. And again, this is a 6 Plus. So as I always say, if I can't do it in under 20 minutes, it's free. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery change, camera replacement, things like that, we do it all. Also, we do iPhone unlocks, so you can go to different carriers, from AT&T to T-Mobile to Metro, things like that. And then I'll also leave a link in the description below with our website. So if you have any questions, you can give us a call, email, and we'll be glad to help you. And if you get the chance to like, comment, and subscribe, as well to share the video on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, things like that, it truly helps. Thank you to all of our customers. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Thanks again.